So the last question we want to discuss from the day 5 is delete a given node from delete a given node when a node is given. Okay, so we have to write a function to delete a node in the singly linked list. You will not be given access to the head of the linked list. Instead, you will be given access to the node to be deleted directly. It is guaranteed that the node to be deleted is not a tail node in the list. So basically what we are given. So how will we attempt to solve this question? So we are just given the pointer to the target node, nothing else. We are not given to the pointer that is pointing to the starting of the node. We are not given anything. We are just given the pointer to the node which we want to delete. So how will we solve this question? If we don't have access to the previous node, how can we set up a link from this to this? We cannot set up the link. So what we'll do, so this is our target node. We'll copy the value of this node to this. So this become 5 and we delete this node. The thing remains the same. So it is starting. What we are having a linked list that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and this is the target node which we want to delete. So we don't have access to the starting of the linked list. We don't have access to, so we cannot access this the previous node to the target node. We cannot access it, so we cannot set up the link from this to this is not possible. So what we are attempting to do here, we are copying the value of the next node in this node, so its value become 5, and we have the access to this node, and its previous node is the target node. So what we can do, we can delete this node and set up the link between this and this. So our expected answer was this, and this is what we are returning. So this is how we will solve the question. Let's take one more example. It would be much more clear. Let's suppose I am having let's suppose I am having a linked list, this, and this is the target node which I want to delete. Okay, so what I will do, I don't have access to the starting of the linked list, so I cannot reach to this position, so I cannot set up a link between this node to this node, so this is not possible. So the thing which is possible is that we can copy the value of this node to this. It is very easy. We can copy it and we can delete this node. It is also very easy. So our output remains the same, and we can do it explicitly in order of one time. So this is how we'll solve the question. Now we'll look at the code. So this is the very simple code. What we are doing, we are using a temporary pointer that point to the node that is next to the node which we want to delete. Okay, we have copied the value to the temporary pointer, and we are updating the value of the node which we want to delete to the next node, and we have deleted the next node. So this is the simple code. I have previously executed it. It has run successfully. So try to submit it. So this is how we'll solve the problem. Delete a node in a linked list in order of one time. So this is how we'll solve the problem. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comments.